Indian troops in their fresh act of state terrorism martyred two Kashmiri youth in the Baramulla district. The troops killed the youth during a cordon and search operation in the Sagipora Sopore area of the district on Friday. The operation was continued till last reports came in. All Parties Hurriyat Conference spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas in a statement in Srinagar strongly condemned the escalating state-sponsored repression in occupied Kashmir. He highlighted the use of the military force, extrajudicial killings, arbitrary arrest, confiscation of the properties, and unlawful dismissal of the employees as part of a broader strategy to silence the Kashmiris' voice. Senior APHC leader Mirwaiz Umar Farooq, while addressing the Friday congregation at the historic Jamia Masjid in Srinagar today, stated that the immense suffering and the hardships faced by the Kashmiri people are directly linked to the unresolved Kashmir dispute. He urged both the India and Pakistan to engage in a dialogue. Indian Army Major and BSF man committed suicide by shooting themselves with their weapons in the Kupwara and Katwa districts respectively. These incidents are not isolated. A total of 611 Indian Forces personnel have taken their lives in occupied Kashmir since January 2007. Chief Minister of Occupied Kashmir Umar Abdullah has said that the resolution passed by the Legislative Assembly on the restoration of the special status of the state has told the world what the people of Kashmir want. Jammu and Kashmir Assembly passed a resolution asking the Indian government to work out a constitutional mechanism for restoring the special status of the territory.